Y'all don't know about that. Y'all know about that. It's for grown folks, okay? Welcome, 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 welcome. I am a little behind. Hold on. Get a little lower. But anyway, I'm a little behind. I'm getting a late start for breakfast. I had some really important business that I needed to take care of this morning. Also doing my routine as far as, praying and all that other stuff. But, yeah, so we're going to be cooking breakfast with Busy. If you don't know, my name is Tebekia, but everybody calls me Busy. Due to the fact that I am a busybody, I'm all over the place. In a good way. Busybody is not, edifying, so I changed it to Busy Bee. Because I am like a little bumblebee, and I used to do piercings, so I would sting people. But yeah, anyway, yeah. So we're going to get started today. I'm just going to let you all in on, healthier tips and stuff like that. Like, I quit eating pork it's going on like a year and a half now that I have stopped eating pork. I'm slowly but surely trying to get rid of beef as well. I've been doing pretty good. Like, I had a steak maybe probably about 3 weeks ago. I had like little skewers or whatever, shish kebabs off the grill, and it had steak on it, shrimp and stuff like that. But as far as like a full-blown steak, nah. So yeah, so I'm trying to cut down on the beef. I'm really trying to get everything in order. I usually, like, as far as ground beef, I usually do ground turkey because it's leaner and it's healthier. But anyway, let me get the stuff and I'm gonna get started. But first, let's see. I'm gonna show you all what I'm gonna be cooking with today. Is avocado oil. That's gonna be my oil that's gonna grease my pan. So I'm gonna just do something simple, light, fast, okay? Because I'm not trying to do the most. Y'all hold on. I'm coming. I know I'm supposed to have this stuff done, but I'm not perfect. Okay, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna start with turkey bacon. No pork for me. You might eat pork. That's on you, whatever you like, to each his own. But we're going for a healthier tip, and to be honest with you, it's unfortunate. I love the pork taste. It's so savory and good to my taste buds, but it's not good for us. It's not good for me. Has a lot of fat and salt and other stuff. I mean, let's think about it. What do they feed pigs? Slop, and then we eat the pig. Y'all, I know I should have had this stuff up and going. Y'all bear with me. I should have had all my stuff laid out, but I was like, yo, I gotta get on this. It's probably 1 o'clock in Alabama, but it's 2 o'clock here in Atlanta, and yeah, so it's a little past time for breakfast, but I haven't had anything but an apple this morning. So yeah, I'm still gonna eat my breakfast. Get this bacon going. Yeah, so I'm going to, let's see, get it down on about, I probably won't show you all like the finished, like I would probably do a picture of a finished product or whatever, but I know you all, like the video is going to be mad long of me actually cooking the food, but I'm going to show you how I prep and how I do cook, to get it started. So with this pan, if you can see, this pan, I'm going to get it warm, and I'm going to go ahead and put my avocado oil in there just to grease it, and that's just for my turkey bacon. Also, turkey bacon is a little different than, just going to do a little bit, y'all, but it's a little different than the regular bacon. It don't make a lot of grease because it's so lean. So with that being said, we're going to need a little bit of oil in our pan. Get it all nice and covered. Let that get warm. Get my bowl. Hold on. For my eggs. Yeah. Hey, y'all know about that. Wait a minute. All right, so while that's getting warm, I'm gonna go ahead and crack my eggs open and put them. I'll throw the shells away in a second. It's just the trash can's way over there. So anyway, I'm gonna do 2 eggs. That's enough for me. That's more than enough. Yeah. But anyway, yeah. Also, I don't do whole milk, dairy milk. I don't do that. For one, it doesn't do me well. It doesn't sit well with my stomach and stuff like that. That's another story. Some people are lactose. I think I am a little bit, but the doctor did not diagnose me with that. But I think I am. But anyway, yeah, this tastes better. It's healthier. In my perspective. If you like whole milk, do your thing. You know, if you like 2% dairy products, do your thing. But anyway, I'm gonna do like a splash of this, and it's actually the vanilla, but it's not really strong vanilla. I'm gonna do a splash of this in my eggs just to make them fluffy, because I like fluffy eggs. So yeah, hold on guys. Also, wash your hands. Wash your hands, child. Wash your hands. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna get this started. I'm gonna get my turkey bacon. If you never had turkey bacon or ever seen it, it's a little weird looking, guys. Don't be freaked out. It's still good for you. Hold on, it don't want to work with me. Come on, turkey. Okay. Yeah, it's a little weird looking. This is what it looks like. Girl, hold on. But yeah, so we're gonna throw this down in there. This is for me. I'm not cooking for other people, so I wouldn't be doing that. But this is just for me, so I can do what I want with my food. Let's see, I'm gonna rinse my fork. We're gonna whip up these eggs real quick. Also, salt is not too good for you. You know, watch your salt intake. Salt is used to preserve meats. So we don't want to preserve our bodies. You know, like we do want to preserve them, but in the right way. And salt is not the right way to preserve our bodies. So yeah. Also, guys, from the weight loss journey, this is not. I'm also use avocado oil for. You wouldn't hear avocado oil for my eggs, but just to grease the bottom of the pan. So anyway, in my video, my weight loss journey, I was not going ham like this, you know, avocado oil, and you know, I was doing turkey bacon and I wasn't eating pork and stuff like that. But all this extra stuff came along the journey once I started losing the weight and seeing, you know, results and stuff. I'm like, wow, I like this. Not just that, but as far as my career, I'm like, I gotta, you know, get things in order. So with that being said, I started expanding my horizon with the healthy eats. I'm gonna do a little bit of black pepper, guys, just a little dash. Let's see if you can see a dash of black pepper, and we're gonna do a little bit of salt. Let me show y'all how much salt we're gonna do. A dash. That's it. That's all you need, guys. You salt lovers. Okay, so yeah, I'm gonna get my eggs started. And this is something light. If you all want to see more videos, more health tips on how I eat and stuff like that. I don't know if I did mention that I don't do sodas. I might do a cup of juice, if that, a day. I drink a lot of water. My cup is right here. Wait a minute. This is my cup, and I keep it filled with ice. This is a really good cup. I think I got it from Walmart for like, my granny got it for me for like $8, $9 or whatever. Y'all, it keeps my ice cold. It's still ice from last night in there, and my water cold. So yeah, I'm a water drinker, but I can't, like, I used to do this. I would get a bottle of water and I would drink it to about like right there, like this one. This is my water from last night, and I would drink it from right here. This is when it's out the bottle. I would get mad like when it gets down to the bottom, it gets hot, so I'll put it back in the refrigerator to get it cold. I don't have to do that with this. It keeps my water cold all day, and for a water lover, that's life. You feel me? So Anyways, I think I got everything going and started. I'm gonna get my eggs in here now. And guys, I don't want to burn up my breakfast while I'm trying to record. So for more tips, please feel free to contact me. Drop comments below. Subscribe. I got everything going. Let me let y'all see just a little bit. Got the bacon. We got my eggs right here. And yeah, that is it, guys. Thanks for coming. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped a little bit. You know, maybe I'll put if you follow me on Snapchat, maybe I'll put a picture up of my food, the finished product. I'm hungry. I don't know if it's gonna make it there. I can't make no promises. But thanks for watching, and I hope I helped. God bless you. Stay busy. Stay fit. Self-love is the best love.